We're installing an automatic cat door in our makerspace today, 'cause we crazy. Let's do this. So here's the product we decided on, and it's a smart kitty door. It's pretty straightforward. Our very good boy, Jasper, will wear basically a fob that automatically opens the door when he comes close. I don't know that you can train the mind of a cold-blooded murderer like Jasper to fob into a room, but hey, we'll give it a shot. The directions for installing this door are a bit, well, minimal. Meow, that's okay, because the big idea is pretty straightforward. First, we'll cut a hole in the door, then we'll install the murder door, kitty door. Then we'll program Jasper to get into our home against my better judgment. Sounds fun. To cut the hole in the door, I'm gonna wanna make it easy on myself, so I use a hammer and a flat screwdriver to remove the hinge pins. Then I lay the door on some flat ladders that act as sawhorses. Meow, your kitty door will most likely come with a template like ours did. This template suggests cutting the hole no closer than 3 inches from the bottom of the door. So I measure out the space and center the template on the door. This is a 2-panel door, and that's no problem. We will still be able to get this kitty door sealed up after installation. I tape the template into position and use a 3/8 inch drill bit with my DeWalt 20-volt drill and drill out each corner of the opening. And now it's time to drill the holes for the screws. Meow, this took a little time because there's little room for error. I needed my holes to sit at exactly 90 degrees, perpendicular to the door, so I use a level to double and triple check myself before drilling. Then I insert my jigsaw and carefully cut out the opening. Meow that the hole is cut, I stand the door up against the wall, and it's time to check the fit. So I do a loose install of the kitty door. It basically comes together on either side of the door, and some screws will pull it tight. I'm ready to align the exterior and interior kitty door sections and hope my screw holes are straight enough. Honestly, this is the hardest part of the job. The video doesn't do it justice, but this did take a bit of time to get things into place and tighten down. Plan to be patient with yourself on this part. It's just a carnivore door for a wild apex predator after all. So what could go wrong? The door comes together with all 4 screws with a little bit of coaxing. It will pay off to ensure your drill holes are straight into the door, so don't rush that part. You don't want to make Kitty angry. You wouldn't like angry Kitty. Kitty like to scratch your eyes out. After the 4 screws are tightened down, it's time to seal things up and reinstall the exterior door. Return the exterior door to its hinges and return the hinge pins. Some exterior caulk works perfect for this, but take your time so you don't make a mess. There you go. Now to train Jasper. We fit him with his collar and fob and use some kitty treats to get him to move through the kitty door. He's apprehensive at first, but after he remembers that cats tend to eat the bodies of their masters if they pass away at home, he really gets into it. There you have it, a kitty door installation so your house isn't really yours anymore. From here, if you'd like to see a time lapse of building this makerspace from the beginning, I've got a video you can check out right here. And if after seeing this video you feel like I've earned your subscription, you can click the Man Cycle logo right here. See you next time.